Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. So today I have a really exciting unboxing for you guys. So I picked up something from Chloé, and as you guys can see, it's something bigger than shoes, so I didn't pick up shoes. So if you want to know what it is, then keep on watching. Alright you guys, so I have to admit I've already unpacked this, but I packed it up really nicely so you can have the unboxing experience with me. So I picked up the Chloé Woody tote bag, and I'm gonna share with you the dimensions. I'm gonna compare it really quickly to the Louis Vuitton Neverfull. We do the unboxing first, and then I will also show you what fits inside. So we have a tough schedule today. So yeah, I hope you get through the end of this video. So we're gonna do the unboxing first. So this is how it came. It came in the box, and then it came in this plastic bag, and here is my receipt. And as you guys can see, I purchased from Fashionette as well because guys, I can't tell you enough. I got some questions on Fashionette in different countries. I have no idea. I'm in Germany, so for me it works really well, and they're always cheaper than other websites. So I'm gonna give you some examples of how much I paid for this bag and how much it was on different websites. But yeah, so this is the Chloé Woody handbag, tote bag, and I ordered it on May 14th, and it is called a medium woody shopper canvas in white and blue, and I paid 650 euros. So this is it. I give you the serial number for Fashionette if you wanna just type in the serial number. So that's 11365878. So if you want to write that down and like pop it into Fashionette, you don't even have to search for it, but you will just go straight to the bag that I bought. And I love Fashionette because you can pay it later. So I have like 10 days to transfer the money to them. So if I decide not to keep it and send it back, I don't have to already like put like something on my credit card, but I only have to pay if I'm really keeping it. So I really like that about them. But I think it's only if you buy something for under a certain percentage. Like if you buy like a more expensive bag, then probably you have to buy it like paid in advance. But for this I didn't have to, so I really like it. So let's get to the unboxing. So I have this beautiful Chloé dust bag. It didn't come with a box, which I actually like because I have so many boxes, you guys, I don't even know what to do with it. And you can see it's a beautiful handle. So I picked up the Chloé Woody tote in the medium size with the blue, even though I think it's black. And I initially wanted the brown one, but I have so many bags that have like brown leather. Like obviously all of my Louis Vuitton bags have brown leather, and also yeah, I wanted something that was, I don't know, just a little bit different, and these match perfectly with my Chloé Woody sandals. So I'm gonna give you the tag. So it comes with the Chloé tag, and that's what's on it. So it has the name and the reference number and things like that. So yeah, if you want to take a screenshot of that, you can do that. And then it came stuffed with just like some paper. Let's take that out. And that's how it looks like from the inside. There is glitter in there because, like I said, I already unpacked it and I used it yesterday for the whole day, and I had to carry one of our wedding gifts from my mom's to here, and there was a lot of glitter in there, so that's why there's glitter. And then this is in the back pocket, so there is a big back pocket in here that is actually really convenient. And this is, I guess, the authenticity card. Yeah, this is the authenticity card and like a care booklet or something. That's all the paperwork. Let me get my journal and see what I noted down, because I noted down the dimensions and things like that. So yeah, first off, I wanted to tell something about the price. Like I said, I paid 650 euros. I looked up the prices on different websites, including the Chloé website, but also I think my Teresa, and they were 720 euros on there. So 70 euros more, because I think they just got a price increase because they're doing really well. Yeah, and then also they come in a small size that is actually really tiny. I will insert a picture. That is currently listed on Chloe for 620 euros. And then they have a really big one that you can also get on Fashionette. I tried that on in Dubai, but it was really big, like it was way too big for me. I think it's comparable to the Louis Vuitton GM, and that is definitely too big for me for every day. Like you guys know, I carry really small bags, so that was just too much. And that one currently retails for 820 on the Chloe website. But I saw that one on Fashionette as well for 750. So if you wanna like look up on Fashionette, you can also save the items if they're unavailable, and then they will notify you once they are available again. You need to be quite fast, but I managed to score this and it was fine. And they also have the brown version. Like I said, this is the blue, but to me, like in real life, this is not blue. This is definitely black. So I don't know why they call it the blue. It's definitely black. And this one isn't definitely not white either. It's like a oatmeal-y kind of beigey color. So I don't know. The descriptions are kind of off. So yeah, I wanted to share dimensions with you really quickly. So this one is 12 centimeters deep. It's 28 centimeters high, and it's 36 centimeters wide, and it has a shoulder drop of, I didn't write that down, so deep of 4.7 inches. I wrote down the inches, then height 10.9 inches and 14 inches across. And the shoulder length is really nice on me. I really like how far it drops. It's really comfortable. It's not right under my armpit, but it's not like really low either. So I really like that. Let's get up to show you guys. So that's how it drops on me. I hope you can see. So that's how it is. Talking about like material and structure and things like that a little bit. So this is a really structured bag. It's not as structured or as a thick of a canvas as, for example, the Book Tote is, but it's still really structured. It doesn't have anything on the bottom, so it doesn't have feet, unfortunately. It has this really light canvas, so you kind of need to be careful like where to set it down. It has the canvas handles that is sewn together with leather applications here, and it has the leather applications here. From the inside, it's really plain, and it looks the same on the other side, by the way. So yeah, you can wear it either way, it looks the same. And on the inside, you have this oatmeal-y canvas that doesn't have anything like really exciting to it. And then you have this small little leather tab right here that says Chloe made in Italy. And then you have a back pocket right here. And I think I have a serial number down here, as you guys can see, like down here. So I have the serial number, and other than that, there's nothing really to it. It doesn't close. It doesn't have a snap closure or something. So that's one of the only downfalls that I have, because I really would appreciate it if it had it. But otherwise, this is my new Chloe Woody tote bag, and I'm obsessed with it. And yeah, I wanted to compare it really quickly before I show you what fits inside. I wanted to compare it really quickly to the Louis Vuitton Neverfull, so you kind of have the comparison. So this is the Louis Vuitton Neverfull, and if I put them side to side, you can see that they're exactly the same height. So the Louis Vuitton Neverfull is 28 centimeters and that one is 28 centimeters. You can see the depth is a little wider on the Louis Vuitton, so that's 14 centimeters, and on the Chloe it's 12 centimeters. And the width is a little, like if you cinch in the Neverfull, it comes out, so it's not that wide, but technically if you cinch it in like it's supposed to be, then the Chloe would be a little bit wider. So I thought that would be really comparable, like size-wise. So if you were wondering like how much it would fit, then you could definitely take your Neverfull, because I know that most people have the Neverfull. Yeah, and compare it to this one. I think that would work. And like I said, I think the big one is really comparable to the Neverfull GM. But I think the the really small one of the Chloe Woody bag is a lot smaller than the Louis Vuitton PM, so I don't think that's translatable. But other than that, I feel like they're a really similar size. And also I wanted to talk about the purpose of this bag because, as you guys know, I'm kind of on the fence with the Louis Vuitton Neverfull. Like, I always kind of wanted it because it's like a good staple to have and things like that, but I don't really have a purpose for it because I'm not going to uni anymore because it's all online, and even if I wear, I don't need like a really big bag. And I have my Tory Burch little canvas, not canvas, like leather shopper bag, and I use that for like if I need to go to work or something. And I also have my Louis Vuitton Loewe that I can use for if I have to carry more and run errands and things like that. And I kind of wanted something for summer that can double as kind of like I guess like a beach bag, or something that looks more summery, something that is canvas, that is also obviously matching my favorite sandals, but that is also in a neutral color. And I'm also really scared for like really light leather bags because I'm always scared that they will color transfer and things like that. So honestly, I just really like the look of this. I'm thinking, like, I know this is probably not gonna stand the test of time forever because of this, and I talked, I will link my Chloé Woody sandal video down below, and I talked about like the difficulty to clean the sandals, and this is gonna be the same problem, but because it's already like an oatmeal color and kind of looks dirty a little bit, I'm hoping that it won't be that bad. But definitely I will not wear this bag if it pours down rain, or I would definitely try and be careful where I set it down and things like that. So this is something that I just purely bought for not really rational reasons, but just because I really love it. And sometimes I feel like you don't have to always do the smartest purchases, but sometimes it's important to buy something that makes your heart sing. And I just think this is one of the most beautiful totes I've ever seen. Like, I just love the look personally. It's just like such a cute bag in my opinion. So, and it's highly sought after, so I think a lot of people actually think the same. So yeah, I just really like it. It's just my dream summer bag. And I also really like the Loewe little straw bag, but I know that this wouldn't be like, I don't know, I would kind of get sick of it because like straw bags aren't my favorite, and I have a cheap one from Zara and I think that's sufficient. So yeah, this is kind of my thought process behind it. So let's see what I can pack inside, because I've actually used it yesterday for kind of like running errands and needing to have a couple of things with me. So I'm gonna share with you what it fit inside. Okay, so the first things I had in there was my laptop. So I have the MacBook, what is it, like MacBook, the normal one, 11 inch. No, not turning on. 11 inch, so I'm gonna put that in here and that fits perfectly. 13 inch would also fit, I feel like, but what is the next one up? 15 inch? I think that is the bag is too small for that. And I had 2 books that I had to bring with me. So this is how it looks like at the moment. So I have a lot more space. And then I also needed my pencil case and an umbrella. So I'm gonna put that vertically. Then I needed my planner and my laptop charger. So I'm gonna throw that in there as well. And then I kind of have my everyday essentials. So I have my mini pochette that has like makeup and random like hand sanitizers and like more masks and things like that in there. So everything that I kind of need or is good to have for every day. And then I have my wallet as well. Throw that in here. I have my Miu Miu sunglasses. I love these. I don't know, forgot about them and then I brought them back. They are so cool. Maybe not with this outfit, but they're so cool. I love them. So yeah, my Miu Miu sunnies. I don't have the hard case, but the hard case would definitely fit as well. And then I have my car key and my sequin key holder and a loose mask. I'm not getting better with the masks, guys. I always like throw them around, which is really gross. And then I definitely need my phone. This is my iPhone 12 Pro. And I always like to put it in the back pocket here. So that's really good. And that's how it looks like. So, I mean, it's pretty full. I also managed to squeeze in a water bottle, but I unfortunately don't have a small water bottle right now at home. So yeah, that's how it is. And what I found, because the straps are like pretty thick, I found it to be super comfortable. Like, this is kind of heavy with 2 books and a laptop and other things like that, and a water bottle yesterday, but I thought it was really, really comfortable on the shoulders, which is a huge plus. So yeah, I was really happy about that. So definitely really comfortable for these kinds of purposes. So yeah, I really like it. Tell me down below if you like it. Tell me down below if you think it was a smart purchase or not. Yeah, like I told you guys, I just purely really love the look. I think it's a gorgeous bag, and I think I'm gonna get a lot of wear because it's just like easy to match with everything. But I know that it's probably not gonna stand the test of time and serve me forever and ever. But yeah, like I said, sometimes buying luxury is not about being like rational or smart, but buying something that makes your heart sing, and this one makes me happy. So yeah, for pictures of me styling this bag, please follow me on Instagram. I will leave my Instagram handle right here, and also follow me for like outfit inspiration and funny reels. I'm really into reels. I did a reel with this bag already, so if you want to know like what it's all about, then check out my Instagram. And if you have any questions about this bag, then please leave them down below, and otherwise I will see you for my next video. Bye guys, thank you so much for watching.